Good day, traders. Welcome back to Fides Trading Channel, and we are back again with another Fides Flows daily market brief for Thursday, the 28th of August, 2025. If you're new to this channel, in the Fides Flow videos, I do a deep dive into the price action and fundamentals behind gold, Nas100, and Us30, giving you a clear roadmap for the trading day ahead. Using higher timeframe technical analysis, I identify key zones, momentum shifts, and trend structures, and then combine that with real-time macroeconomic drivers like interest rate, inflation data, and market sentiment. So whether you're a swing trader or day trader, this breakdown helps you understand what's really moving these markets and where high probability setups might form. Starting with the gold charts, let's drop into gold and see what's been happening. Gold currently trading at 3,405. With the price was currently testing the Asian highs at 3398, and it seems to have broken to the upside and above the major pivot level of 3,400. Waiting to see if price will actually hold that level for the day. Current Asian high sitting at 3398 with Asian lows at 3385. Price was moving bearish during the opening of the day. We can see that we had a bit of bearish movement towards the first 2 hours of the day before price firmly rejected the bears at 3385, which is the Asian lows, upon the bullish support trend line. Since then, price has been moving steady bullish for the remainder of the day. Clearly, price came down, hit the break and retest zone here from yesterday at 3385, and then pushed to the upside. Clearly enough momentum to break past that pivot level, which has been troubling gold as of recent. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see that price is trading very bullish at the moment, trading above the 21 and 50-day moving average, with price in the bullish region of the RSI above 55. Although price is exhibiting very choppy nature as it continues with this uptrend, we can see lots of highs, but also strong reversals before further pushes to the upside. Clearly market collecting liquidity before those moves to the upside. On the 1-hour time frame, we see that price is trading above the 21, 50, and 200-day moving average with a moderate amount of comfort. We see have a bullish support trend line, which is being respected, with bullish price action structure, with the current higher low at 3385 and the new lows currently being created at 3405. Price trading in the bullish region of the RSI above 55 but below 70. Just want to move the support level right there to 3385. And we are certainly looking for long positions in this market. As it stands on the 1-hour time frame, we can see that price is trading in the bullish region of the RSI, but it is coming into the sweet spot region and providing us with decent retracement opportunities to capitalize on when price action provides us with the right signal. Market directionality is certainly bullish and looking for long positions. The market is moving decisively bullish, and we'll be waiting for confluence per strategy to ride the trend to the upside. And we have broken above 3405, but I do feel like we could see some sort of retracement before further push to the upside. Where could I be potentially looking for these retracements? Well, I'm keeping my eye out on the Asian lows at 3385, the Asian highs at 3398, as well as the pivot level at 3400. Wait to see how price reacts. We do have a strong support level here at 3394, so all these levels definitely prime time opportunities to capitalize on this major bullish move that is taking place. Bullish futures price is currently at 3462, which is about a 57-point difference to the upside, supporting the bullish trend that we are currently seeing in the market. Let's move on to Nas100. Nas100 dropping into the 1-hour time frame. We can see Nas100 US Tech certainly moving in bullish consolidation and is currently at 23546 after a bullish move on Friday from the 23,000 pivot level during the New York session. Market was moving bearish for the majority of last week before the push on Friday. Price is still trading below the major pivot level of 23680, and despite the breakouts in the early weeks of August. On the 1-hour chart, we can see that price is consolidating between 23380 and then 23580. levels. Currently on a retracement from the highs at 23580, testing that resistance level, but it seems that we'll see a drop in the price before push to the upside. Price is trading above the 21 and 50-day moving average as well as 200-day moving average, and sitting within the sweet spot region of the RSI, confirming the consolidation as we see it on the 1-hour time frame. Price has broken below the bullish support trend line that we have observed here from the 4-hour time frame, so it is safe to say that we could see further downside movement. However, we could keep pushing to the upside, so market directionality yet to be confirmed based on the break off that bullish support trend line. Currently observing the Asian highs and lows at 23430 and then 23575. Looking for a breakup to the upside of this range before taking a long position. Potentially could get a push off the Asian lows or break above the Asian highs. From the price action, I'll then gauge on the 5-minute what type of opportunity I want to take from this market. But as it stands, I think we are trading within this range. We need to see how price reacts based on the 1-hour time frame first, seeing a firm close on the 1-hour time frame. Looking at US30 next. US30 decisively bullish on the 1-hour time frame. Currently trading at 45641. Trading bullish after a massive breakout to the upside following the bullish push on Friday during the New York session. Price has broken above the 45,000 pivot level and continues to exhibit a bullish price action structure. So a retracement on the charts testing the 45,000 level before a moderate bullish push sent this market back to the highs at 45,750. Price is trading on an impulse move currently and is testing the 45,750 resistance level. Price continues to trade above the 21 and 50-day moving average, and in the bullish region of the RSI above 55. Bullish trend is clearly still intact and price trading above the 200 SMA. Currently higher low at the Asian lows of the day, testing the higher, currently looking at the higher low at the Asian low of the day at 45,530 for a potential opportunity to the upside. Market directionality is bullish and looking for a long-term position from the Asian lows at 45,530, as I have mentioned. Moving on to the VIX for the day, let's take a look at what's happening there. VIX is at 14.44, trading below the opening of the week, which was 15.02. Seems as though the bullish steam for indices has resumed and we'll be looking for long positions with the indices. Gold still has bullish price action structure, but would be trading it cautiously based on the news releases, as a downturn in the VIX isn't necessarily positive for gold. In terms of fundamentals for today, fundamentals are minimal and it is mostly a technical trading day aside from the PCE for USD. Let's quickly take a look at that. PCE for USD going to happen at 2:30 with prelim GDP as well. So definitely something to keep an eye on for the day. But for the most part, it is a technical trading day for the Asian and London sessions. In terms of the headlines coming out of FX Street and TradingView, overall sentiment for gold headlines seems to have a consolidation sentiment, indicating a loss of bullish momentum, but having a hard time breaking above the 3,400 level. Now, we have just seen that break, but we need to wait to see if price holds. Indices are also showing bearish signs with a specific focus on Nvidia after last week's rally and its slip in the Chinese market. With that, that is the end of the analysis. I hope you enjoyed that. As always, this is not financial advice, but my personal opinion on the current state of the markets. Before taking any positions in these markets, make sure to do your own research first. Like and subscribe and let me know what you'd like to see more of in future videos. Happy hunting, traders, and I will catch you in the next one. Cheers, everyone.